channel. So today's video is all about making the perfect meat pie or perfect pie crust, and now I'll be showing you how I make my super rich and flaky Ghanaian meat pie. So if you are a pie lover, you might want to watch this video to the very end because you're gonna love it. So I have with me here 5 cups of flour, 4 cups of margarine. I'm saying 5 cups because I'm using a measuring cup, sorry. So you can use a measuring cup to measure it for a perfect result. I also have 4 cups of margarine, and then my minced beef, 1 tablespoon of nutmeg, a pinch of salt, and then 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I also have my diced carrot and then my diced onion. I have some chili powder here. I have my onion, garlic and ginger mix, my complete seasoning, and then now to the secret ingredient. Yes, this is my secret ingredient. I want my pie to be super rich and flaky, and to achieve this, I'm not going to add any liquid ingredients to this recipe. So instead of using fresh milk or evaporated milk, I will substitute it with this milk powder. So I'll start by adding my dry ingredients. Yes, I'm adding my 1 tablespoon of nutmeg, my 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and then the pinch of salt. And I'll mix them all together. And I'll add my margarine. You can use butter if that's what you want. So now this is where the trick lies. Make sure you use the tip of your finger to mix everything together. So in a clean hands, I'm mixing my ingredients. This is because I don't want to activate the gluten in the flour. So I'll use the tip of my finger to mix everything together. So yeah, let's start with the filling of the pie. I'll add a little bit of oil here. Yeah. So I'll start by adding my diced onion. I think this part is easy. You can do it whichever way you want, and it's okay. It all depends on how you want your filling to be. Yes. The most important thing is your pie crust. It should be rich and then flaky enough. Yeah, so I'll add my diced carrots. I'm adding my minced beef. So this has been frying for a while. Yeah. So I'll add chili powder to it, depending on how you want it to be. I love chili powder, you know. And I'll add my complete seasoning. Yeah. Yes, just a little bit of it. And I'll stir. And I'll add just a little amount of my beef seasoning. Yeah. The smell from this alone is amazing. Yeah. So not forgetting my ginger, garlic, and onion mix. So with this one, if you have fresh ginger, garlic, and onion mix, you can use it. So I'll just add a little bit of it, like 2. Yeah. So this is the parts I don't like. I started with a little bit of oil and I ended up having lots of oil because the minced beef itself has oil in it and I don't want that. So anytime I'm done, I always make sure I drain the oil out of it. So watch me strain it out of it. Yes, so it's been like 45 minutes now. Everything has cooled down. Our flour has freezed well enough. Our minced beef has cooled down. And I have here with me my milk and then egg mixture. And I've sprinkled a little bit of flour here. This is because I do not want it to stick through the pie, when I'm done. So now let's start. I've cleaned my table so you know, just so you're wondering. And I will, take a little bit of my pie dough or my flour, and then I'll roll it slowly. So I always want my pie to be thicker enough, depending on the thickness you want. And then depending on the shape you want. So I'm going for this oval shape or this shape. So this is the thickness I was talking about. Now add my filling. I will add so as you can see, I'm adding my milk and egg mixture because I want it to seal well enough. I think my filling was enough, was too much. And then you seal it. So you can seal it with a fork, but I prefer using my hand. Just look at that. Yes. So we are all done. Just look at that. Our pie is super rich and then flaky. So if you love this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share, and then subscribe. By the way, it tastes very, very nice. Try this recipe and then let me know what you think or give me a feedback. See you in my next video. Bye.